As a small streamer, making money online shouldn't be your primary concern, that should be growing your brand, but I can completely understand the urge to start setting up an income stream. 11 years ago, I started a blog so I could write product reviews to try and get some clicks on my affiliate links so I could earn my first dollar online. But times have changed, and right now you can just become a streamer or a YouTuber and then link people to products that way in the hopes that they will buy it. And that's the first way I want to talk about in this video because it's the lowest effort one. This video is sponsored by Own.tv. If you want graphics for your stream, then this is the place to be. They have hundreds of completely animated stream packages, but also separate elements like alerts, badges, transitions, offline screens. All of these packages are really high quality and a bunch of them are being added regularly. When you click on one of their packs and scroll down a bit, you will see their preview tool, which you can use to test out everything that's inside of the pack. You can trigger an alert to see what it's like, a stinger transition. You can also look at the animated screens. The link to their website is in my description, and when you use my code TVN, you will get 50% of your price. Again, the link is in my description. The most straightforward thing you can link under your stream is your current setup. Just make a list of everything you're using to stream. That's your PC setup, that's your microphone, lights if you have them in the back, maybe the refillable water bottle that you're using, just everything that people might want to buy because you are also using it. If you are a Twitch streamer, you can use the Amazon Blacksmith extension because there you can add all your products and then people get a clean list of them and they can just click them to arrive on the product page where they will be sent to with your affiliate link. Now, what else could you add under the stream? Just in general things your audience might be interested in. If you play a specific game, if you play Overwatch all the time, you could add some pops to the description. Your viewers will probably be interested in Overwatch, so maybe they wanna buy something like that, or you can at least use it to get them to Amazon. And that's a huge thing because you don't only get a commission when people click on your link and then buy the product you link them to, you also get a commission on anything else they buy on Amazon within the next 24 hours. Now, if you don't stream on Twitch or you don't like the Amazon Blacksmith extension, you can also just use Kit. It's an amazing and simple website. You can add a bunch of products to a page, then get a link and add that in your description so people can click on it, arrive on the page, browse your products, and then when they click on it to go to Amazon, it's the same thing. You get a commission, and there's something extra with Kit because in the settings you can add all your different Amazon affiliate links. Because with Amazon you need to make an Amazon Associates account, which is the affiliate program for each of the Amazon stores. So you make a US account, Canada account, France, Germany, Australia, all the Amazon stores have a separate affiliate program. Now if you make all these accounts and then add your IDs to the Kit settings, then whenever someone clicks on a product, Kit will automatically send them to the right store. So if I go to your stream, I see your link, I click on it, I click on a product, I will be sent to the France, Germany or Holland store because those are the three closest around me. The next way you can make some extra cash is something many of you will already know, and it's Patreon. Now I see so many people that have 0 supporters on Patreon, and in most cases the reason isn't that their community is too small, it's just that they are not providing enough value, or in most cases not providing any value. You shouldn't add things like tier 1, you are a great supporter, then tier 2, you are an awesome supporter. I mean, those things don't work, and especially not for streamers, because on Twitch people can subscribe to you, on YouTube they can become a member, I don't know what it's called on Facebook, but if people want to give you a few dollars a month, they're gonna do it that way. Your Patreon should be to make an extra community of people who are really invested in your content. Give them behind the scenes, give them exclusive live streams, maybe say that you will sign a card every month and send it to them. There are so many possibilities. There are people who 3D print things and then send them to their supporters. A great example of someone who is providing value on Patreon is Bellular Gaming. I'm not sure if you know him. It's a YouTuber that makes content about World of Warcraft. Let's see here. The first tier is $2, but for that you get 2 monthly vlogs, you get a monthly Q&A, weekly updates and behind the scenes. The higher you go in his tiers, the more you get, and as you see right here for 22, he will send unique signed art to you. And this is an example of someone who makes a bunch of tiers that each give people a real incentive to support him. The next income source is gonna be dependent on what you're doing online, but it's opening a store on Gumroad or Etsy or Selfie, anything that will allow you to open a storefront for digital or physical products. Before I partnered with Owned, I used to use Gumroad and Selfie to sell stream graphics, and it worked very well because it's perfect for my audience. I make content for streamers and I was selling stream graphics. But there are many other niches that allow you to sell something, whether it's a digital or a physical product, but most of the people that will be able to sell something will either be streamers that make educational content or probably art streamers. Because if you're an art streamer, this is perfect. You make art on stream and then you put it on your store and people can buy it. If you make educational content about anything, there are endless possibilities of things you can sell. People who talk about photography or videography, most of them sell presets or LUTs, but as I already said before, this method will probably be mostly for creatives. Next, we have something anyone can do and which is pretty easy to set up, and it's merch. Now with this you probably have two directions you can go in. Either you create merch about your own brand that people want to buy, for example 100 Thieves, it's just cool to wear 100 Thieves merch, or Logan Paul that sells Maverick merch and it's cool to be a part of that, at least for some people. Now the second direction you can go in is making non-branded merch but just with something cool on it. And this can be anything. It can be art that looks very cool and that people want to wear. It can be a quote that you put on the merch. Let's say you're a fitness streamer, you can make a t-shirt that said lift weights, get dates. What? You just need to know your audience, think about what they possibly would want to buy, and then just make it on merch. If it's a quote, you can easily make it yourself with a simple editor, and if it's a good looking image, you can either make it yourself if you're artistic, or you can look for someone on Fiverr that can probably make it for a pretty small amount. Just be careful on Fiverr because there are a lot of scammers on there that just get their images online and then send them to you as their own work. Now once you have your ID for your merch, it's pretty easy to get it online. You can simply do it with Streamlabs or Stream Elements. There are other websites, but I really recommend using either of the two because then you can add an alert to your stream when someone buys your merch. Now the next method is only for Twitch streamers, so if you don't stream on Twitch, you can skip to this time in the video. Now Twitch has a bunch of extensions that incentivize bit usage, and this can be really beneficial if you have a small community to get people involved on spending a few bits on you. Now you need to be a Twitch affiliate for this, but if you go to your creator dashboard and then to extensions, there you will find a search bar, and if you type bits in it, you will see all the extensions that make people use bits. Just look through the list to find something that your community might enjoy. You also should know that 80% of the bits they use go to you, and then the other 20% goes to the developer. Now the last way to earn income besides your stream that I want to mention is something that doesn't really belong in this list, but it's really important, and it's YouTube. Again, this is a completely other thing than everything we've mentioned in this video, but if you're looking for something to put time in to earn extra income, then you just should be doing YouTube. It is a way to earn passive income. It will just take a bit longer before you get there, but it is really worth it. And if you're a streamer, you should already be doing YouTube. So in my honest opinion, before you're looking at things like making merch or making a mini course or making digital products, anything like that, if you don't have a YouTube channel yet or you don't have a TikTok with clips yet, then in my opinion that is where you should be allocating your time into. The longer you do it, the better you will get. It will make you grow faster in general, get you more viewers for your stream, and then once you're able to get monetized on YouTube, you will be earning extra income that way, and from there on, when you keep growing your brand, you can branch out into other things to earn extra income. So what you could do is taking the least effort ways to earn income from this video. So for example, adding an affiliate link to your description, or making merch with Stream Elements with your own logo or with a simple code on it. You just implement those two things so your community has a way to support you, and besides that, I would put my time into improving as a streamer and then making YouTube and TikTok content in the hopes that it will make you grow faster and it will earn you passive income, or not really passive income, but it will earn you extra income in the long run, because that's a great skill to have as a content creator. With most things you do, your aim should be in the future and not right now. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you would like it, because that helps a lot in the YouTube algorithm. If you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.